So this is Arsh Kumar, and this video we learn how to change the uh, color of the blocks of components. See, like this is screen 1, and how I change this event color to blue. So let's see how it is done. So first we open App Inventor sources, then App Inventor, then we go inside Blockly editor, then source, and then blocks, and here we open components.js. So I'll just close these, and here see, the normal will be the here it will be your Blockly control category hue. So instead replace this like this and just add your color. This is the color of blue, so you can just change all of these. The color method is for the block color like purple, and this get and set is for properties. This is the get property and this is the set property color. So just like this you can change the color of it. So wasn't that so simple? Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.